挖去咱们唐人街十字路口，让大家好好看一看这个不仁不义的家伙。是。来 ，Let's talk again. So, what's your plan?
I want to sell drugs to Korea, if you got it.
Sure, I got it. No idea math.
I need cocaine.
My math can sell like crazy in Korea.
Long ago, Korea made money on 3 good items: car, ship, and meth. But now, many meth from Japan, Taiwan, North Korea. So many.
大哥，先令下来，听他怎么说，怎么样？
No cocaine. I need wonton.
痴心. Do you know how much a ton of coke cost?
Sure. Call me when you get it. And I need a gun.